guys, I often get such questions and comments like, I'm a completely beginner in Russian. Where should I start and how should I start? What should I use? So, I decided to share something with you again and share it for free. I have a collection for Russian learners. There are folders with videos and some books. This collection is on Google Drive. Let me show you what I have there. Well, when you click the link below this video, you will see my collection. And if you're a completely beginner in Russian, you should start with these 3 folders. They contain videos, audios, and PDF lessons about Russian alphabet and Russian pronunciation. After the alphabet, you should start learning grammar, and I recommend you this book because it sets Russian grammar out in an accessible way. Sometimes I use it in my online classes. By the way, guys, if you need professional classes with a professional teacher, you are welcome to ask me about them and we will start learning Russian on Skype. And guys, look, I have 4 more books about Russian grammar in my collection. So if you don't like the first one, you can choose another book. If you need not just Russian grammar but more information about the Russian language, you are welcome to read this book called Using Russian. The next book that I like and use in my classes is the Big Book of Russian Verbs. First, you can read some information about Russian verbs, and second, you will see the list of 555 Russian verbs. You will see their conjugation and also you will see some examples, some sentences where those verbs are used. Of course, guys, you can use other books from my collection too, and don't forget about a folder called Vocabulary Collection. There are a lot of PDF lessons with different topics. You're welcome to learn new words, new expressions, and don't forget to ask me if you have questions about them. For example, usage and pronunciation. Well, guys, if you need this collection, you can look in the description below the video and there is a link to my Google Drive folder. But guys, this collection works only on the computer, at least some folders, and don't worry if you see such a notification that a folder is too big for downloading and Google can check it for viruses. Don't worry, there aren't any viruses because this collection is for my students and of course I won't put any virus there. Look in the description below, download this collection, and also if you need professional classes of the Russian language with a professional teacher, you're welcome to ask me about them. I teach on Skype. I made a video about my way of teaching and a link to that video will be in the description below too. And guys, if my videos and my materials are helpful for you, you can also help me with a small donation. A link for that help is in the description below this video too. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Like the video, write the comments, especially the comments what would you like me to add in that collection for Russian learners. See you next time. Bye bye.